Hey everyone, welcome back to Mickey Ears and Butterbeers. Today we're back for another My Disney Experience app tutorial on how to use the new feature MagicMobile. So first thing you're going to want to do is open your My Disney Experience app, or if you don't already have it, download it and just log into your account. I'm already logged in. And then you're going to want to click on the very bottom. They should have a little menu with like a house and like a location, a plus, a search, and then some 3 lines. Click on the 3 lines. Then click Disney MagicMobile. Then it should bring this up for you, and it says Disney Vacation Essentials right from your phone. Enter the theme parks with valid theme park reservation and a valid ticket or pass. Connect Disney PhotoPass images to your account. So these are some of the things you can do. With MagicMobile, you can enter the theme parks, you can link your Disney PhotoPass, and very soon you'll be able to charge purchases just like you would for a Magic Band. This is kind of what Disney's doing to kind of make Magic Bands a little bit more digital. And so and you don't need a Magic Band. This is just, instead of a Magic Band, you can always use this and just use your phone. So click Set Up Your Pass. And then you can change the pass style by just clicking Change Pass Style here. And let's see, we would want, and there's a bunch of different designs you can choose from to make it personalized. So they have a bunch of ears. They have some for each of the theme parks. But I think, let's just do the castle. The castle's cute. And then you're gonna click Done once you have the style you want. And then you're going to click Add to Apple Wallet. So this is only available on Apple products, and you have to have a certain iOS, which is the system update. And then you're just going to click Add Pass to Wallet, and it'll add that to your Apple Wallet. Okay, so it's added to our wallet, and that's done. And so you can always change your pass style. To say I wanted to change it to like the Mickey or the Pirates or the Epcot. I could always do that at any time, and then you can actually share it or share any of your passes if you have multiple passes via messages to some of your contacts. So like if you're going with family or friends on your trip, then you could always do that. And again, as long as you have the Apple Wallet app, you don't even need to unlock your phone to scan it on anything or even your Apple Watch. And so it's really, really a neat feature, and it seems to be that Disney's going a little bit more digital. And so this is a nice way to kind of go out with kind of the Magic Bands and the cards and more with a digital more of a digital-friendly approach to park passes, and I think this is really cool. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with all of your friends, and subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. So until next time, have a magical day.